How to fix push notifications on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In this guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix push notifications on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. If you've not been receiving notifications on WhatsApp for some reason, it could be due to multiple factors. The very first thing we have to check is whether or not we have actually muted someone. So just go ahead and then open up anybody's profile over here, tap on the profile name and check whether or not you have muted their notifications. When you have muted someone's notifications, you will not simply receive their notifications in the first place. And now if that answered the question, that's perfectly fine. If it didn't fix, then we're also going to check if our do not disturb mode is enabled. So in my case, do not disturb mode or focus mode is currently enabled whenever I'm recording this video, so as to avoid any disturbances. But if you're not receiving any notifications, it could also be because you have do not disturb mode on your phone turned on. On every phone there is this feature by default, so just go ahead and make sure to turn that feature off. After that, you can open up settings. Once you open up settings, go to the option that says notifications over here, and as you tap in notifications, just go to the more section, and over on the list of all these applications, you simply want to look for WhatsApp and make sure that the toggle next to WhatsApp is turned on, and then tap on WhatsApp within it and make sure that it is set to allow sound and vibration. You might also want to go to notification categories and make sure to turn on all these toggles over here, just like that, because if you don't turn these toggles on, you will not be able to go ahead and then receive some notifications. And hopefully one of these solutions may have definitely solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.